zoomed into it, that's alright, isn't it? Yeah, cool.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to see my awesome Halloween makeup skills, which everybody's dying to see.
Are you taking over my intro?
I am actually, am I? I'll leave it to you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Connor.
Hey everyone.
This is the boy.
Welcome to Beth's channel.
I'm taking over now.
Today I'm doing some insane Halloween makeup.
So, I wanted to make a bit of a different video today because we have a Sunday together to do videos. So we've made a video for Connor's channel. That'll be on his channel if you want to check that out. What's your channel called? Connor Logan. Just Connor Logan. Have a look at that. But Connor is going to do my Halloween makeup.
Yeah, and I've only got 5 minutes as well.
And he's only got 5 minutes to do it.
So no pressure, no pressure.
No pressure at all.
I think I could do a really good makeup look. 5 minutes is, I'll be good, it'll be fine. I'll do it, I'll do it good.
So what are you thinking of doing? What type of thing?
If you look away, I'll show that. It's going to be to my own twist, but I'm thinking something a little bit like, let me have a look. You can't look. So something a little bit like this, and a little bit like this. So I think it just looks awesome.
Can I look?
Yeah, you can look now. You can look now.
So Connor has never done makeup before, have you?
Never.
So this is
I've just watched makeup videos for 4 years because of
4 years because of me.
But apart from that.
So I've got some paint set out for him just to help him a little bit because I don't think he'd know where to find things or what to get. And I've got one eyeshadow palette set out in case he wants to use any of that. We're going to set a 5-minute timer.
We are.
Should we get straight into the video?
It takes you about 2 hours just to do your eyes, so I don't know how I'm going to do a full look in 5 minutes. But.
So, stopwatch. Or should we set an actual timer for 5 minutes? That probably makes sense to me.
Yeah.
5 minutes on the clock.
Not even an extra second or anything.
Not an extra second.
Just 5 minutes on the dot.
Are you ready? Are you nervous? I think you're you're a little bit nervous.
I'm just a little bit, yeah, definitely.
Okay, are we ready?
I think I'll be good, but it's just the time limit really.
I'll put that upside down.
Yeah, what are you putting my brush upside down for? Hey?
Right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you set? Are you set and everything? I need to be facing you, don't have to help you a bit here.
I'll just show the audience my brushes. So I've got
What brushes, what are they for? Go on, tell everyone, what are they for?
So these are for the palettes. So the James Charles palette that we've got here, the artistry one. These brushes there that I'll be using, but for the paint I'll be using them ones. So
and the sponge.
I'll be using the sponge as well, but majority of the paint I'll be using is the
what paints?
The Snazaroo.
Oh, I even know the paints. You even know the paints. Right. Without further delay.
1 second.
Are you setting your own timer?
No.
I
need to look at this. Actually, I need the hair.
Oh, do you want me to put a headband on?
Get ready.
A little tiara. Try not to get it in my hair if possible because I've just washed it. But you know, you do what you gotta do, babes. 5 minutes on the clock.
Let's smash this.
Starting 3.
Well, 1 second. Let me at least.
This is what I said. Are you ready? So obviously, I'm not gonna help you at all. You just do. Just do.
You'd use a brush to cut in as well, wouldn't you? Really?
I'm not helping you. You know what you're doing. 4 years of makeup tutorials.
I do.
5 minutes on the clock now. Go.
I feel so weird that it's actually. I need you to like that. That's it. Just normal. Just have your mouth normal. That's what I mean.
Do you feel like a professional?
I feel like I'd be really good if I had a bit more time.
I don't want to mess it up for you by like laughing. I'm not going to show you how long you have, but I'll show the camera. I don't know if this is going well or not because I don't know what you're doing.
It's going really well. Trust me, I know what I'm doing with this stuff.
Do you? Have you learnt from me?
This is actually really fun. I'm actually enjoying this.
Really?
Just nearly a full mouth of paint there. How's the...
Just so you have a little idea.
This is going to be so scary. I'm actually going to genuinely, I can imagine that Nix might just contact me direct and say, well, we're actually needing someone for this Halloween. Oh no, this year's Face Awards. I don't mean to be big-headed or anything, but you know when you just know you're good at something?
Do you think you're better than me? Go on.
Not finished yet, I'll have to see at the end.
You've got 3 minutes. You've got 3 minutes left.
It's fine.
Oh, he's dropped the thing! You didn't even wash that brush beforehand.
No, I did.
That's it, I'll just close my own eye.
This is going remarkably well.
Is it?
Actually, genuinely.
I'm quite proud of you for doing this.
It's looking actually really well.
But we'll see how it goes. It's looking really well.
What do you think on the beauty side of things, and do you think I'd be good on the beauty side of things as well?
We'll have to do that in another video. I'm feeling like if we went out for Halloween like this, well, it won't be that great.
Trust me. You can't do anything until you see it. How long's left? Just tell me.
2 minutes.
20.
2 minutes.
What's the black? Plenty. I am really liking these Snazaroos actually.
Yeah, they're good, aren't they?
I do genuinely see how you're just sitting here and doing this. It's actually not that bad.
It's not that bad. You can do this. Oh my god. It feels so weird getting my face painted by someone else.
Yeah, she's doing your own.
Like I don't know, it's weird. It feels different when I do it myself.
I do see how we could enjoy it though, 'cause it's quite
It's fun.
relaxing, isn't it?
Yeah. It makes me just feel better.
Yeah, it's really relaxing.
I'm not gonna lie, you actually just got that in the corner of my actual eyeball.
Sorry. Well, I am on a, I think for my very first makeup look after watching videos for,
You know you've got a minute left.
yeah.
Have you seen?
Just realised actually.
You know. Oh, it's in my hair, innit?
Does it come out? Does it come out your hair this?
Well, yeah, if I wash it again.
Body paint.
40 seconds.
Hey, for 5 minutes, I don't think you could even do this. 5 minutes.
Really?
Really scary as well.
Oh my god.
1 second.
20 seconds.
This is actually insane. I actually can't believe how good this looks.
You're taking this seriously as well, aren't you?
Does it look brilliant? Done. What does everybody think? Right? What do you think?
Right, 1 second.
That's quite good, right?
Let's just shut this up. Show me your reference picture, Connor.
That looks amazing. That actually looks amazing. Oh, 1 second. Yeah?
It looks just like that. Well done.
That looks very similar. Oh, I was meant to the
Hold
black
it
eyes. Please comment down below if you think that looks the same. Or even better, give it a like. Because genuinely, I think that is my first makeup look as well. I think I've done pretty awesome there, to be honest. I'm proud of myself.
Brilliant.
I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. Happy Halloween.
It's brilliant! Oh! It's in my hair! Right.
Let's not start a paint party here.
A paint wall. So I'm just gonna get my mirror out and have a closer look at this.
But generally, the
gonna
colours
lie.
are pretty good.
It's not the worst.
I'm gonna practice this a little bit more.
Out of 10.
I think I've been quite creative with that.
So you were trying to make me into like a pumpkin-y?
Well, yeah, it's like pumpkins are orange, and picture a pumpkin being nice as an old pumpkin isn't, and if a pumpkin like half nice and half not.
So you made me into a pumpkin because I'm nice.
Yeah.
You little sweet. So.
This is the finished look. I hope everybody.
Look at your face.
I hope everybody enjoyed. I think everybody did enjoy. I think this video is going to get a lot of likes and comments.
Do you?
Saying how good I am at the Halloween makeup.
They want to see more from you.
Conor Logan.
Stop plugging yourself. I didn't plug me in your video. So let me know what you think. How he did. Would you wear this look out? Should I post this look on my Instagram? I mean, I don't know.
I do. I think you should. Definitely.
I don't think I will.
I think it'll be very popular. And if you want to see Beth get a pie in her face.
That's another plug for your
Look
YouTube
at my
channel.
video.
That is another plug for his channel. If you want to see more videos like this with me and Connor and him trying to be me, failing to be me, subscribe. There'll be much more videos on the way.
Well, next time because I look forward to it.
Thanks for watching. Bye.